Welcome to This Week in Astronomy, brought to you by Celestron, the world's leading manufacturer of telescopes. I'm Dave Eicher, Editor Emeritus of Astronomy magazine, and this time I want to talk about a really large grouping of bright stars in the winter sky that we're all familiar with, but we don't really think of necessarily. The winter sky has all these bright constellations. It's a great naked eye sight. You can look at this with the naked eye, with binoculars. You can look at the individual stars in your Celestron telescope as well. And I'm talking about the Winter Hexagon, which represents a large circle of stars in the winter sky that are all relatively close to us in the Milky Way galaxy. This winter hexagon, it starts in the south with Sirius, the brightest star in the entire sky, and the beacon of Canis Major. Moving clockwise, then, it includes Procyon, the brightest star in Canis Minor. It then moves up to Pollux, one of those two bright stars, the twins of Gemini, the twins. And next in line is Capella in Auriga, the charioteer. Then we move on to Aldebaran, the brightest star in Taurus, which is sitting there in the Hyades star cluster, and it marks the bull's eye. And it finishes in that clockwise circle with Rigel, that blue-white supergiant, it's actually the brightest star, brighter than Betelgeuse, in Orion. So explore the winter hexagon this week and this month, taking a pair of binoculars out. Also, you can look at each of these individual very interesting bright stars in your telescope as well at varying powers, and get an appreciation of the brightest large circular star group in our winter evening sky. I'll see you next time.